Hi, I'm Amanda and we're iLOVE Snacks, an award-winning healthy snack brand with the vision to provide plant-based snack options that are better for you and the environment as we introduce sustainable packaging that works in the circular economy and reduces plastic waste. We started the business with a simple vision to create a range of naturally healthy snacks made with great ingredients that were accessible for everyone and complemented a balanced diet. Fast forward to today and we've had sales of over £830,000. We've got over 10,000 social media followers. We've got 4 Great Taste Awards and a Great Taste Producer Award. We've got national and global customers including Waitrose and Starbucks. We've just launched on Amazon in the US. We have our own logistics warehouse where we've built a fully compliant packing room, which we hope will soon be SALSA accredited. We're a member of the Living Wage Foundation and we've started the process to become a B-Corp company as we want to have the highest standards of social and environmental impact. We want to be a sustainable snack brand, offering plant-based snacks in sustainable packaging. We've spent 3 years in finding a solution to reduce plastic across our range and have invested the last 12 months in creating a tin solution which has been met with delight from supermarkets and buyers across various sectors. With a new look and the launch of a new sustainable range, we're really excited about the future. With new snacks including roasted pistachios with rosemary and sea salt, hot chili corn crunch and salt and pepper fava crisps, alongside our smoked almonds and delicious vegan chocolate, there's something for everyone. The global snack food market is valued over $400 billion and the healthy snack market at $78 billion. We've already sold 1.9 million snacks in our current packaging. Imagine the progress we could make with our new sustainable range. The world is changing and has been accelerated by the pandemic. Health, wellness and sustainability are what people want, with 74% of consumers willing to pay more to protect the planet. Our strategy for growth will be a focus on hospitality, food service and on-trade. We'll also be growing our direct-to-consumer channel with a focus on gifting, which includes towers of sustainable snacks. Our export strategy is focused on North America, Germany and the Middle East as we target export with the help of the Department of International Trade. Our team has experience between us, including sales and marketing, operations, supply chain and import and export. And our advisors are all experienced founders with a history of scaling businesses. Our aim is to be the custodians of sustainable snacking and we're offering you the chance to join us. So please invest today, join us on our journey and let's make a difference together.